Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Agro Capitalist. Today is Thursday, August the 2nd, 2018. I want to make a quick video. Tomorrow is the jobless numbers, and all week long we've had just a plethora of news and reports and you name it. So much going on with this tariff business. And I do believe that we're seeing a very important moment in these markets. Case in point, take a look here at the Russell. You can see on this weekly chart here up top, 1720.8 is the all-time high, and the market is going to attempt to take that out and make a run for it as early as tomorrow. If you look down here toward the left, this is the daily chart, and you can see the market is trying to break out of the recent downtrend channel that we have seen, okay? So the support so far on the weekly chart, the support of 1639.50 seems to be holding up at the moment, seems to be a pretty strong support. If broken, we could see an acceleration to the downside, a very nasty downward move, and we're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of around 1564. All right, that's what your long-term trend line support is on the weekly chart. So are we going to see a rally tomorrow? Is the market going to be able to close where it needs to close tomorrow? That's a very good question. All right, if we take out the trend line support here, the momentum support, then that opens up that door to test the 1639.50 support here, all right? And on your daily chart, you pretty much only have tomorrow to try to make a run. Depending on how the market moves tomorrow, if it fails here, then we're going to get pushed down lower as the Kumo cloud low is down here. The support is down here around the 1670 mark. So this could push prices back into the Kumo cloud. As you see, it's been trying to come out of the Kumo cloud here on the daily chart. That's why we've been getting this whipsaw type price action, down this day, up the next day, down again, up again. So you're just going this back and forth, expanding the trading range. So tomorrow is going to be very critical in this regard. I also wanted to show you here, take a look at the precious metals. The markets really don't know what to do with themselves right now. All right, with all this nonsense that's going on. Okay, so the markets are really struggling to find some type of footing. All right, so if you look here, right here, we have gold accelerating to the downside, threatening to take out that 1200 support. Now on the weekly chart, we're already in a well-defined downtrend channel with momentum pointing down. Trend lines are also starting to drop below the Kumo cloud. This is a very bearish setup for gold now. All right, so the metals are really getting hit hard right now. Taking a look at silver, silver also, you can see the price is falling below the Kumo cloud here. Both price and trend lines on the weekly are well below the Kumo cloud with acceleration, downside acceleration. That's very critical going forward. Taking a look at crude oil here. All right, you can see here that your crude oil is also struggling to maintain bullish momentum right now. It's in jeopardy of falling below that 67.85. $67.85 a barrel is where your current support is. Failure to hold that, and oil is threatening to drop back below 60. So we're at very interesting times here in these markets. And I'll finish with the Bitcoin futures. All right, here's your Bitcoin futures. You can see where you're still in that downtrend channel, all right? It's maintained itself. You had a nice little rally off the 57.55 low, but now you're in danger of this rally being sold off hard, okay? And that's where we are right now. It appears that the rally is going to be sold off, folks. All right, so you have to be prepared for that. That's where we are, all right? And it looks like we're going to accelerate to the downside once this happens. And then the 57.55 low is in play once that happens. Market is struggling around the 78.94 level in the Bitcoin futures. That's acting as a resistance point, a strong resistance point right now. All right. Even here on the daily chart, you can see where prices came up above the cloud, but now are threatening to fall back below the cloud. Okay. And you're still in the Kumo cloud, but you see your prices starting to fall down, trend lines turning down also. All right. So I just wanted to point that out. Tomorrow's going to be a critical day for a lot of the markets, so we got to keep our eyes and ears open and be prepared to be nimble and quick. I normally do not place trades on Fridays, but with all the geopolitical risks and uncertainty, it's looking like these markets could roll over as early as tomorrow, or even between Sunday night and Monday morning, depending on how the markets close tomorrow. So just be prepared, folks. All right. It looks like the geopolitical risk are increasing and accelerating. With that being said, remember pulsewavetrading.com. Come learn how to trade these markets and create an income for yourself, as well as taking the free trading course that is free with your subscription. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.